Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you this makeup look right here, and this is a soft black and golden smoky eye look. And also to mention that I haven't applied any foundation or concealer because I had really bad breakouts on my face and I don't want it to become worse by applying makeup on it. So it's very lightly concealed, like only the dark spots have been concealed, but the acne are just out there open, just for you girls to know out there that acne is normal. So if you want to know how I got this makeup look, then please continue watching.
Been friends since 1995. Growing up, same street, you, me, my ride or die. All the years they would grow us apart, yeah. Moved away, but you're still in my heart, yeah. Call you up, how you been, can we play and rewind? Yeah, those other guys you choose, they don't care, no, like I do. I've been waiting on you. So small. When the rain couldn't get any clearer, I'm the one holding up all your mirrors, baby. Hurry up, back to me, why'd you ever move on? Yeah, you're making me confused. I'm the one that you should choose. I've been waiting on you. Since 1995. Growing up, same street, you, me, my ride or die. All the years they would grow us apart, yeah. Moved away, but you're still in my heart, yeah. Call you up, how you been, can we play and rewind? Yeah, those other guys you choose, they don't care, no, like I do. I've been waiting on you. I've been waiting on you for so long, and it's killing me to see you there with a broken heart. If you knew, I've been waiting on you. I've been waiting on coming like a wrecking ball, crying on me, saying how they make you feel so small. When the rain couldn't get any clearer, I'm the one holding up all your mirrors, baby. Hurry up, back to me, why'd you ever move on? Yeah, you're making me confused. I'm the one that you should choose. I've been waiting on you. I've been waiting on you. the street, you, me, my ride or die. All the years they would grow us apart, yeah. Moved away, but you're still in my heart, yeah. Call you up, how you been? Can we play and rewind? Yeah, those other guys you choose, they don't care, no, like I do. I've been waiting on you. Oh, oh. I've been waiting on you for so long, and it's killing me to see you there with a broken heart. If you knew, I've been waiting on you. Whoa, whoa. I've been waiting on you coming like.
So guys, that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. So if you like this video, then you know the deal, what to do. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notification so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social media. The links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
You're showing me. Look at this moment in place. I'm doing it for the reactions. Wanna laugh in your face and wanna be paying the taxes. Yeah, I gotta get back in the